EnduNAD versus NMN supplements. Which is better for longevity? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics in longevity, EnduNAD versus NMN supplements. Which one should you be taking to stay energized, sharp, and youthful? Stick around because I'll break it all down. Oh, and don't forget, check the description and first pinned comment for exclusive links to these products. Let's get started. Part 1. Introducing EnduNAD and NMN supplements. First, let's meet our contenders. EnduNAD and NMN are both designed to boost your NAD+ levels, a molecule that's like the battery pack for your cells. As we age, NAD+ drops, leading to fatigue, brain fog, and wrinkles. These supplements aim to fix that, but they work differently. Let's start with EnduNAD. Think of this as a direct NAD+ booster. It uses a patented formula to deliver stable NAD+ to your cells, helping them produce energy, repair DNA, and keep your brain sharp. Benefits? Users report skyrocketing energy, better focus, and even smoother skin. Most take one capsule daily, and it's gentle enough for long-term use, though some might experience mild headaches initially. Now, NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide. This is a precursor, meaning your body converts it into NAD+. It's like giving your cells the raw materials to build their own battery packs. NMN shines in boosting metabolism, muscle health, and overall vitality. Take it twice daily, and within weeks, you might notice better stamina, mental clarity, and even weight management. Side effects? Rare, but some get temporary bloating. Quick recap. EnduNAD delivers NAD+ directly, while NMN lets your body make more of it. But which one's better for you? That's what we're tackling next. Links to both are below if you're already curious. Part 2. EnduNAD versus NMN supplements. Which is better for longevity? All right, folks, time for the main event. We've met the players, EnduNAD, the direct NAD+ booster, and NMN, the precursor powerhouse. But which one deserves a spot in your longevity toolkit? Let's break it down science first, results-driven, and no BS. Don't forget, exclusive links to these top-rated supplements are waiting in the description and the channel bio. Round 1. Bioavailability battle, which gets into your cells faster. First up, absorption. Think of this as a race to your cells. NMN is the lightweight sprinter, smaller, stable, and easily absorbed through the gut. Studies show oral NMN raises NAD+ levels within 1 to 2 hours because it's designed to convert quickly 16. But EnduNAD, it's like delivering a finished product. While it's direct NAD+, its larger size can struggle with bioavailability unless formulated with advanced tech like liposomal delivery. Winner? NMN for ease, but only if your supplement uses quality sourcing. Cheap NMN can degrade in the gut. Pro tip: look for enteric-coated capsules or sublingual powders to maximize absorption. Round 2. Longevity benefits, anti-aging showdown. NAD+ is the holy grail for anti-aging. It fuels DNA repair, powers mitochondria, and activates longevity genes called sirtuins. But here's the twist. NMN doesn't just boost NAD+, it also improves insulin sensitivity and lengthens telomeres, those protective DNA caps, based on human trials. EnduNAD, it's like a cellular energy drip, great for immediate brain fog relief. But NMN's cumulative effects on metabolism and muscle health make it a long game champ. Even Harvard's Dr. Sinclair calls NAD+ the closest we've come to a fountain of youth. But here's the kicker: NMN's ability to mimic calorie restriction, a proven longevity hack, gives it an edge for sustainable aging support. Round 3. Safety and side effects. Which plays nicer with your body? Safety first, right? NMN's track record is solid. Studies show no severe side effects at doses up to 1,200 milligrams per day, though some report mild bloating or headaches. EnduNAD, direct NAD+, can sometimes cause flushing or nausea, especially in sensitive folks. Plus, the FDA's recent crackdown on synthetic NMN means you must choose brands with third-party testing. Pro tip: always check for NSF or USP certifications, especially since counterfeit NMN flooded the market after the 2024 FDA drama. Round 4. Real-world results. What users and science say. Let's get real. Do these actually work? For NMN, a 2025 study on amateur runners showed 12% better endurance after 6 weeks. Users also report sharper focus and glowing skin. EnduNAD fans swear by its instant energy boost, perfect for crushing deadlines or workouts. But here's the catch. NAD plus levels drop faster without consistent dosing, while NMN builds a reservoir for all-day vitality. Midlife warriors, listen up. NMN's impact on muscle recovery and metabolic health is a game-changer. One user reversed biological age by 6.5 years, combining NMN with intermittent fasting. Round 5. Cost and convenience. Which fits your lifestyle? Let's talk budget. NMN is cheaper long-term, 50/month or a quality, and versus EnduNAD's 50/month for quality brands. EnduNAD S80 Plus Premium. But NAD Plus injections? They'll cost you $340 plus per month. For most, NMN capsules are the sweet spot. Affordable, travel-friendly, and no needles required. P.S. Pair NMN with resveratrol for a synergistic boost. Studies show this combo doubles sirtuin activation for next-level anti-aging. Final verdict. Who should choose what? So who wins? NMN if you want holistic, research-backed longevity, metabolism, DNA repair, and steady energy. EnduNAD if you need immediate cognitive boosts, or NAD plus deficient. But why choose? Stack them for a 1-2 punch. Just consult your doc first. Frequently asked questions. A. Can you get NMN from food? Trace amounts in broccoli, avocados, but you need 50 pounds daily? B. Yes, NMN is found in trace amounts in foods like broccoli, avocados, and edamame, but obtaining a clinically effective dose, e.g. 500 milligrams, would require consuming unrealistic quantities, like dozens of pounds daily. Supplements remain the primary practical source. A. NAD plus IVs worth it? Only for severe deficiency. Stick to oral NMN for daily use. B. NAD plus IVs may offer rapid replenishment in severe deficiency cases, but are costly and impractical for routine use. Oral NMN/NAD plus precursors, like NMN or NR, are more sustainable, cost-effective, and sufficient for maintaining baseline levels with daily supplementation. A. Best time to take NMN? Morning on an empty stomach for max absorption. B. Taking NMN in the morning on an empty stomach may enhance absorption, as some studies suggest fasting improves bioavailability. However, consistency matters more than timing. Split doses if taking higher amounts. Limited human data means individual responses vary. Pair with a healthy lifestyle for optimal NAD plus support. Whether you're team NMN, EnduNAD, or both. Remember, longevity is a marathon, not a sprint. Hit those links below for my top tested supplements, discount codes included. Smash subscribe and drop a comment. Which longevity warrior are you? Until next time, stay sharp, stay energized, and keep defying time.